Today we're going to learn about Klaus, a little boy who lives in Germany. He's 4 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is bowling. The first thing you have to do is to arrange the pins properly. Then, from a distance, you bowl the bowling ball at the pins. Whoever knocks down the most pins wins. Now it's your turn to bowl. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
Up a pin too?
I think the teacher said the first thing we have to do is to arrange the pins properly.
That's right! Let's arrange them. How do we arrange the pins? In a triangle!
Yeah, first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 at the end.
Okay, since I'm the oldest, I'll go first. I almost knocked them all down. My turn. The pins are ready. I knocked down a bunch of them. All set. Your turn, Hoo-Hoo. Hoo-Hoo, Hoo-Hoo. To woo. All set. Your turn, Hee-Hee.
Okay. Oof. I thought I wasn't going to hit any of them.
All set. Your turn, Ho-Ho.
Are you ready, sleepyhead?
Huh? Who is Sleepyhead?
My ball.
You gave it a name?
Yep.
What for?
So I can talk to her and tell her what she has to do. See all those pins? They're very sleepy. But the poor guys can't sleep because they only know how to stand up. Shall we help them lie down, sleepyhead? I knew you would do it!
Do you really think giving your ball a name will help you bowl better? Bowling is a game of technique and concentration. Talking to your ball.
Wow!
Time for bed!
I think I'll call you Shy. Do you like it? I can find another name if you don't.
I've got it. I'll call you Flyer. Phew, phew. Ball to woo. Giving a bowling ball a name is silly. Since you won the last game, you go first, Ho-Ho. Let's see if you get lucky again.
Ready, sleepyhead? Haha woke up all the pins and they can't go back to sleep. Shall we help them? Time for bed!
All set. Your turn, Hee-Hee.
Shy, do you want to play with all those pins? They're bored and they're very nice. I'm sure you'll make friends. Hey, we knocked down a whole bunch of them, Shy.
All set. Your turn, Hee-Hee. See all those clouds, Flyer? We're going to fly super high and super fast through all those clouds. Super cool. There's only one left, Flyer. Nobody! Nobody! Yes! We knocked them all down, winner!
Who is winner?
Nice going! Great job!
You did it! You bowled!
Now you know how to bowl! Congratulations!
Hi, children!
Hi, Teach!
Remember what happened in the last episode? The Momonsters were playing a video game in which they had to capture a wicked witch. Hee managed to chase the witch through a dark and sinister forest. Hoho managed to dodge the giant snowballs that the witch threw at him. Now it's Haha's turn, but she doesn't know how to break through the huge wall of the castle. Shall we see if they capture the wicked witch?
Yes! Let's see!
Here we go!
We only have 2 hearts left. I managed to smash a piece of the wall with the rock. Why did we lose a heart? What do I have to do now?
I think the heart disappeared when you lost the rock.
Maybe you're not supposed to lose it.
Try to catch the rock when it bounces off the wall. Catch the rock! You got it!
And you smashed another piece of the wall!
I'm going to smash every brick in that wall! Super cool! I did it!
Oh, you smashed the wall!
Super cool, haha!
My turn!
Wow!
Hello, Mrs. Witch.
Those snowmen don't look very happy.
I think you have to dodge the snowballs, Ho-Ho. They're getting closer to you, Ho-Ho.
Gosh, maybe they just want to give me a hug.
Oh, no!
We only have one heart left.
Watch out, Ho-Ho! They're throwing snowballs at you again!
Oh, and they're getting closer. What should I do? Give them a hug?
Press the button to see what happens! You're throwing snowballs! You have to dodge their snowballs and throw yours at them! Dodge and throw! Dodge and throw!
Come closer. I have hugs and snowballs for everyone.
You did it, Ho-Ho! Super cool, Ho-Ho!
The snowball is quicker than the eye.
Now we only have one heart left.
What happens if the last heart disappears?
You lose the game! Yeah, and you'll have to start over.
It's your turn, Hehe. Wow! Hehe, I think you have to get that key to open that lock and capture the witch. But without getting caught by those ghosts.
Ghosts?
Look, they're smiling. They look very nice.
And we only have one heart left. So if we don't get it on the first try, we'll lose the game.
Gosh.
Watch out, Hey Hey! The ghosts are too close! You can do it! I don't know what that thing you picked up is, but now the ghosts are scared of you! Take advantage now! Get the key, Hey Hey! You got it! Quick! Open the lock, Hey Hey! Watch out, Hey Hey! The ghosts are coming back!
Here I come!
Super cool, Hey Hey!
Ah! You captured the witch!
You did it, Hey Hey! Nice going! Great job!
You did it! You played video games!